In this video, I'm going to show you the best free AI text-to-image generator, Leonardo AI, and how to create great images fast without wasting your free daily tokens. If you want an easy way to turn text prompts into high-quality visuals, this guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. And if you find this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Leonardo AI and open the Workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll start a new image generation project. After that, choose your preferred model. If you're using the free plan, it's a smart idea to select Phoenix or Lightning because these models are designed for ultra-fast generations and they use the lowest amount of daily tokens. That means you can test more ideas without running out too quickly. Next, set your quality. For most beginners, the default settings are a good place to start, but if you want faster results and lower token usage, keep things simple while you're learning. Then choose your style if you want to guide the look of the image. This step is optional, but it can help you create a more specific result like realistic, cinematic, fantasy, or digital art styles. Now set the image dimensions. A useful tip here is to stick to standard aspect ratios like 1.1 or 16:9. If you use unusual custom sizes, you can drain your free daily token allowance much faster. So if you're just testing ideas, keep it practical and efficient. After that, choose the number of generations you want. If you're trying a new prompt idea, set it to 1 or 2 generations first. That way you can check whether the prompt works before spending more of your free tokens. Leonardo gives free users a daily token allowance, so it's always better to test smartly instead of burning through everything on one bad prompt. Once your settings are ready, find the text prompt bar. This is where you type what you want Leonardo AI to create. Be as clear and descriptive as possible. You can include the subject, the style, the lighting, the background, and the overall mood. The more specific your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. If you want, you can also upload an image reference using the upload button. Just select a photo from your local storage and bring it in as a guide. This is a great feature for free accounts because it lets you use basic image guidance to copy poses or art styles from a reference image without needing complex prompting. Now for the final step, type your text prompt and click Generate. If you're not sure what to write, take a look at the free community feed inside Leonardo AI. You can study high-performing prompt structures and use them as inspiration for your own creations. That's one of the easiest ways to get professional-looking results, especially when you're just starting out. And remember, your free credits reset every 24 hours, so you can come back daily and keep experimenting with new ideas. That makes Leonardo AI a really powerful free tool for creators, designers, and anyone who wants to generate images from text. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.